So you know exactly what you're getting when you purchase the course, right, and to know if it's right for you, then I'm going to show you the back end of the course. So this is the course that you'll see in your portal. And I'm going to be showing you all the different modules and a few of the lessons to show you the kind of things that you're going to be learning. So here we have the welcome module. So this welcome video is actually a video that you can see whether you have purchased the course or not. So if you want to have a look at that and see if it's right for you. So if we click into the welcome video, then here I talk about a bit about myself so you can get to know me, but also I talk about who the course is for, what you're going to learn, what you're going to take away, and I also go through the course as well. So you just play it like that. Welcome to the Ultimate Lingerie Sewing course. So firstly, and then you can change the settings as well. So you can put it on faster playback settings if you want to go through it more quickly, which I actually do with quite a lot of videos, and you can do this with all the videos. So if you want 1.5 for instance, I just wanted to tell you who I am and my experience in lingerie sewing, so you can put it on a bit faster. We have the bonus lingerie sewing supply shop. So this is a list of a load of different lingerie sewing supply shops from all around the world. So with lingerie sewing, it's actually quite difficult to get the supplies in your local haberdashery or local fabric shop because they're not specialised for lingerie. You definitely can do, but you might not get a wider selection. And then here, which is exclusive to students on the course, you have your exclusive discount codes for various lingerie sewing supply shops that I have collaborated with. So then if we go to the first module here, becoming a pro with lingerie sewing materials. So this is your foundation. This is a really important module to go through because we're learning all about the elastics, we're learning all about the fabrics, all about the tools that you'll need, just all the foundations, and of course all the like stretch percentage and stretch retention as well. So this is the first module, and then you also get workbooks as well. So you've got your lingerie sewing index and encyclopedia. So here's a list of like lingerie sewing terms so that you know what I'm talking about throughout the course. So if we go into, for instance, the lingerie sewing index and encyclopedia workbook, then this is the encyclopedia here, so you learn all about the different types of fabrics, and this is how the PDF documents come up, and you can download them here as well, so you don't have to keep coming back to the actual course portal. And then on this page is also the dictionary here. So that is what the workbooks look like. So the next one, so the second module, is creating stretch knickers. So when we're going through and creating the garments, we'll be going through various techniques. So I'll be telling you all the types of fabrics and elastics that you'll need. I go into a lot of detail about this as well because there's so many different types of elastics, even just for lingerie sewing, and they are specific for different garments and different uses. So I do really go into a lot of detail about this. And then you've got your knicker pattern to print, so you don't need any sewing patterns with this course. They are all provided in the course. There is a total of 4 Sew Project sewing patterns altogether, so you are really getting a good selection of patterns. So in each module you'll have your patterns to print, and they will come up as a PDF file, and you can download them. You can either view them here, or you can and then download them here and print them off. And then you've also got how to choose your size and all of the information you need to know for that. And then I also do a creation guide as well for each pattern that I have. So this tells you the fabrics to use, the elastics, the elastic tension, where to put the most and least tension, the different stitches. It's a very quick reference guide, so you don't have to read a whole booklet. All the information is here. So this course really takes you from beginner to intermediate to advanced. Like, we start off with the foundations, we start off with the beginner, we go all the way through, and the end of the course you really do have a lot more confidence because you understand all the foundations that maybe perhaps you wouldn't have learnt before. So yeah, so here is module 1, so working out elastic reduction, which is really, really important. So I show you a specific method that I use. I also show you 3 different ways you can cut your fabrics out, for example. And as you'll see when we go through the modules, I also have a beginner to advanced elastic application process. So at any stage, it doesn't matter what stage you are, you can apply elastic and make it look really good. So then we get on to module 3. So module 3, you'll be creating a bralette. Again, the pattern will be provided, you won't have to get a pattern. I'll be taking you through all of the process, but whilst I'll be taking you through the process, I'll be talking about the very best top tips for how to do all of the applications. And then we'll be going more in depth with certain things. So here we'll be cutting out a scallop edge lace. So how you can make your bralette look a lot prettier by putting scallop edge lace on it. So then after that, we're going to module 4. So module 4 is where you will learn how to make a wired bra. Again, the pattern's included, and we'll be going through the whole process, but I don't repeat things. So if something I've covered, say in the knicker module, I won't be repeating that. So all of the stuff will be new. It's not like I'm going to be going over the same techniques again, because I want to show you new ones. So there's 2 different types of videos. I'll either be explaining about things, so here I'm explaining about bra wires, and then there'll be the sewing video, so I'm showing you how to sew it on the actual machine. So this is more of an explanation video. So if I just put that on,
pieces of very fine metal, usually coated.
I've got this on 1.5 speed. That's why it's very fast.
Around the cup area, so this is called the inflammatory crease of the breast.
So I tell you all the information for bra wires, and then the last module is exploring further lingerie sewing techniques. So with my past students, they really loved this module because you'll be getting a new pattern, so you can download your pattern here. This shows you how to really refine and make your looks look really professional. So, and with also how to experiment with different things. So here I'll be showing you how to use fold over elastic, which is a really efficient and quick way. And then say other things, we've got how to create keyhole. So keyhole on the back of knickers is just a really lovely look to the knickers, can make it look really lovely and really kind of that shop brought look. And then we've got foam cups, so how to do foam cups, how to sew with silk, and lots of other different things. And then here, this is how to create a keyhole in your knickers. So I'll be explaining the first bit,
create a keyhole in the back of your knickers.
And I'll be showing you how to change the pattern. And then if I skip the video, then you can see me actually sewing it. And I put this on high speed as well when it's necessary because you don't want to be sitting there waiting for me to sew something. So I do go through and explain everything and I show you how to do it, but if I've already done that same thing once, then I don't repeat myself so that I can get more into the course.
Close to that point if you're finding it tricky, and just kind of readjust.
So as you can hear, I give you tips along the way, how to sew it.
The right position, put your foot down again and then zigzag that into place.
After I've sewn it, I'll talk through it as well.
Because I've used quite a wide fold over elastic, I'm going to top stitch this down so it doesn't flap out. So I'm just going to use a very small zigzag to top stitch that down.
So yeah, that's taking a look behind the scenes of the course. And don't forget, with the course, you also have my support. I'm not just giving you all this information for you to do by yourself. You also have my support. You can use the Facebook group or you can email me. So if you have any questions at all, you can ask me, because I want it to be successful for you.